Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can invert color in your iPhone. So let's go to iPhone settings. Okay, so now I'm in iPhone settings. Here scroll up until you see accessibility. Go there. Okay, so here you will see display and text size. Tap there. Okay, so now these are the two options, smart invert and classic invert. Okay, let me show you some example. Let's open App Store. Okay, so this is the view. Okay, now let's enable smart invert. Okay, and this is the screen. Go to camera and this is the screen. Okay, now let's enable classic invert. This is the camera and this is the screen. To disable, just toggle it off. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can invert color in your iPhone. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.